So for this exercise, guys, all you need is a box that gets your hip up to 90 degrees. The way we're going to set up is this leg that's on the floor. I want the toes to be lined up with the heel of the foot that's on the step. Now, we're going to be using some weight. You can have it on the same side of the step, or you can have it on the opposite side, which will make it a bit harder. Now, from here, we're going to push through the heel, come up. That left leg is going to come up to 90 degrees through here. And at the very top of this movement, we want to make sure we're squeezing the glutes and the quads at the very top. So as we come to the top here, our balance is going to be challenged, just like that. So come up, squeezing the glutes, squeezing the quads, and then coming back down. Make sure that your knee throughout the whole movement doesn't cave inwards. So you want to make sure we keep this knee nice and straight and above the toes. Up, knee nice and high, and then coming back down. Give it a go.